Okay, everybody, we are going to do a little bit of wants and won'ts. I haven't done one of these in a long time. And I'm going to actually go through my trend mood page and figure out, there's so many things coming out, so many things, and I'll kind of give you my thoughts on, you know, if I plan on buying it, and you know the deal. So the first thing that's already available at Sephora for Rouge members is the Tarte Pineapple of My Eye Collectors, and I'll put a little picture there or there. It'll end up somewhere. And I love the whole thought of this, but I just did a huge declutter and got rid of almost everything I have from Tarte. So I don't think I'll be buying that, even though I kind of do want it, because I have this thing for pineapples and elephants. I know it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense, I know. But yeah, it does have blush and like bronzer and that stuff in it, but I don't know, guys. At some point you gotta, like, you just gotta calm down. I just gotta calm down. Alright, and then but that's what's having a bad dream. So Makeup Geek came out with a palette. It's called the Pumpkin Spice palette. Like, so immediately I was like, pumpkin spice, fall. Of course I want it. And then I saw what the palette looked like, and I was like, I have all those colors. I will, for the things that I'm not going to buy, I'm going to shop my stash. I'm going to start doing some shop my stash to show you guys other palettes, just to see if there's something already in our collection that we can use. The next thing is a line from MAC Cosmetics for Brandon Maxwell. It has an eyeshadow, a lip gloss, and lipstick. Not me. Kylie Cosmetics has come out with singles. They're $7 each. I may invest in a couple of those just to see what they're like. And then Too Faced is out with a new palette they're adding to the Clover line. It's really cute. That's the one thing about Too Faced stuff. It's adorable. They nail packaging every time. But I just practically got rid of everything I own Too Faced, so I just can't see myself buying it. However, Natasha Denona is releasing a new palette. It's called the Safari palette. It's in army green packaging, and it's all matte, so it'll be limited edition. It looks very similar to the plastic packaging on the Tropic palette. I don't normally pass up Natasha Denona, so I do think I'm going to grab that. And then there is another Pat McGrath palette coming out. Even though I buy Natasha Denona, I've never bought a Pat McGrath palette. I need to try. Maybe I'll get one of the smaller ones. It's just like 6 shades and only $60 as opposed to $125. Yeah, it's interesting. So once again, Too Faced holiday line has dropped, you know, to where we can see it. I don't think it's available for hold on, let me see. Yeah, it doesn't have a release date. So So let's talk about this for a minute. I have bought Too Faced Christmas stuff almost every single year. And I normally give it away. Because it, you know, it's just, it's not that it's not good, it's just shades I have in other things. But this year, these guys are coming out with a gingerbread palette that looks like the chocolate palette and all those other things. Well, first of all, I've never passed up anything gingerbread in my life. I don't think I'm going to start now. So yeah, we'll look forward to seeing that and grabbing it. What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Alright. So let's talk about the Urban Decay palette they released for the holidays. It's already on QVC if you're looking for it. It's called the Elements eyeshadow palette. When I look at this palette, all I see is the Born to Run palette. It just reminds me of the Born to Run palette. I don't see anything in it that I couldn't get out of that palette. So I'm going to try and shop my stash, or we'll try and do a Born to Run look against it. The problem is sometimes I have to buy the palette to do that look, and maybe I'll just do it and then pass it on to you guys. Sorry, I'm looking down. I am looking at my phone because I cannot keep up with everything that's coming out. So there is a new eyeshadow palette coming out from Morphe. It's the 35V Stunning Vibes Artistry palette. It'll be $24. Actually, it may be available now. No. September 16th. I have so many Morphe palettes, and I don't see this being any different from the ones I already got. So we won't be getting that either. Aren't you guys proud of me? I'm like not getting stuff. What's up with that? More stuff about Too Faced. Let's see. Smashbox is coming out with a new palette. It's a contour and highlight palette. Something like that. Yeah, I've never been a fan of Smashbox stuff. Just doesn't work for me. I like their foundation, but their eyeshadows are not great. So Kevyn Aucoin is coming out with a nude pop palette for the holidays. I am thinking about picking that up just because it looks nice. It looks nice. Let's see. Some NARS stuff coming out. I'm not picking that up. What else do we got? A lot of pictures of Natasha Denona. So I guess Tarte has dropped everything for the holidays online. It looks like there's a couple of cute things. I just don't know. I don't know. Although I love my Tarte Toasted and that line of palettes. So my phone keeps skipping on me and like takes me back to the beginning, and we've talked about so much of this already. What are we gonna do? So Sugar Pill has dropped a little Oh Honey palette. I probably will pick that up. I like Sugar Pill stuff. I only have a couple things, but what I do have I love. Oh, so e.l.f. is dropping a palette. It's called Opposites Attract. It's got 18 shades, 9 warm tone, 9 cool tone with neutral and vibrant pops of color. blendable, high pigmented. It looks like it's all matte. And it's going to be $14. It's available now. I bet you it's available at e.l.f. Let's just check that out. Why don't we? Because I may want that. It says it's not going to be at the stores till December, but you can shop their website for it. I'll take a picture of it and I'll show it to you guys. It looks like a good little palette. Oh, there's a picture of that gingerbread palette. My God. Oh. So, Huda Beauty came out with more of the 9-pan shadows, and so not only did she come out with a green one, Gina, she's got a green one, and I'm telling you, I love all of my little 9-pans, but she's got one that's like oranges and bronzes and browns, and my money is all gone. Money will be all gone. So it's been a long time since I've done one of these, so we have a lot of stuff on here. The new Naked Cherry palette, I've seen it swatched. I have not seen it in person. It's coming soon. I don't know what the release date is, but I'm very interested in that as well. Can't have everything, Susan, but I've done so well to refuse things to this point. It's a full cherry collection they're releasing, actually. Oh my God, I keep flipping off. I mean, not flipping you off, flipping off the page. Isn't it funny how we love all these pretty things? And then I go through, God bless America, I go through my drawers and I'm like, yeah, I don't want that anymore, I'll give that away. But I'm so happy that I can share it with you guys, and because before I just hung on to stuff. I didn't have an outlet to oh my God, I did it again. I didn't have an outlet to give it to anyone, and most of my family is not into makeup. My nieces are, but not all my nieces. Some of my nieces. I'm sorry, I have to put my phone down so I can do this. I know Patrick Starrr is coming out with another line. It's not for me. Urban Decay is coming out with some kits of like liquid eyeshadows and stuff like that. Looks pretty interesting. Kat Von D. She's coming out with a holiday palette. It is called Fetish. It is beautiful. I'm gonna get that. I just know I'm gonna get that. It's Kat Von D. Who wouldn't get it, right? And then, what else do we got? Running out of, well, I'll be running out of money. I don't know. We're running out of palettes to look at. Yeah. I think that's about it for right now, for what's coming out. I don't see anything else that is like smacking me upside my face I must have. So we will end this video here and hopefully the next video I show you is me shopping my stash to dupe some of the stuff that I'm not going to buy. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Mwah.